Okay guys, it's me Imad. So today in this video tutorial we will learn about how to convert a colored image or an RGB image to a grayscale or black and white image within the SCILAB. So how we can do that? First of all, we have to read an image and then we will go for the conversion. But before you are dealing with the image read or any other thing, first of all you have to install one package, which is the Atoms install IPCV. As I have already installed it out, so I'm not going to install it, but you need to install it out. You need to press enter and it will start installation of this package. After this has been done, here we will write like a is equal to imread. Imread is a command. Imread will read an image, but which image? Whose link will be inside these two commas. So we will go and we will, here we have an image of Echeverria Sonata. Here you can see it out. We will go to its properties. You can choose any other image of your own choice, but you need to copy its location, then its name, and then its type. So first we will copy its location, paste it out here, put a bracket, put a slash, again go copy its name, that is Echeverria Sonata, and note its type, which is .png. Sonata.png. So this is our full link. Now we have read our image. And the image has been stored inside variable I, that is a is equal to imread. So again we will write b is equal to RGB to gray. Now what is RGB to gray? It means that whatsoever will be inside a, and our image is inside this a, okay, variable I. So RGB to gray command will convert this a to what's called as the black and white or grayscale image, and then store it to in the B. So now we will run it out. Okay, now we write show of A like this, and we will write show of B like this. So where, let me see. So now you can see it is black and white like this. So in this way we can like convert our RGB image to a grayscale image. So hopefully you got the concept that how you can convert an RGB image to a grayscale or black and white image within the SCILAB 2025. So thanks for visiting our channel and don't forget to subscribe.